Amritananda. So today I wanted to touch upon how we suffer with uh, uh, different different things, you know, depression or victimized victimhood, or low energy emotions, or uh, you know um, uh, s- um, uh, comparison with others, anything, while we are at work or in the family, or when you are around the friends, whatever may be the situation. An incompletion is nothing but a hangover that is inside you of any past incident that is affecting any future decisions that you are making. Like an example, I can say, if you decide, if you had a bad experience, going to a restaurant, 6 months ago, then now if you are, if an opportunity came to go to the same restaurant, that bad experience of the past is affecting your decision whether to go or not, which is limiting your possibilities. And you may end up not going to that restaurant because of your past experience. So that hangover is still inside you, which is affecting your decision making and your possibilities in the future. So so beautifully, over many years, my guru, His Divine Holiness Sri Paramahansa Sri Nityananda, has revealed the signs of completion on various at various levels. Completing with myself, completing with people around me, completing with my people, completing with friends, completing with people at work. So several rounds of people around you, circles of people around you. So completion is nothing but removing that hangover of the past inside you. So your possibilities are endless, in the future. So over the past many years, I used to do completion, do completion with myself, reliving the incident of the past, or talking to that person, and telling him how you felt, or developing a strong cognition inside you, or or solving this problem from the from oneness, from the point of oneness. So all these different uh, techniques, if you will, that my guru has initiated and given to us. But one of the amazing things recently, um what I started applying in my life, is to not go through all these completions, talking to people, talking to myself, developing strong cognitions, all of that. But so beautifully, when I am able to look at certain problems, when certain problems are affecting me, I am not able to do what I'm supposed to do. Just making that problem redundant in my life, redundant inside me, by putting a powerful cognition inside me, just gave me a breakthrough. I was able to step through multiple type of problems, if you will, small or big, or whatever it is. But I'm able to very easily go past these problems, never affect me, never affect me. And I found this technique of making this problems powerless over me, making these redundant. By asking this question, how asking myself this question, when I am faced with this situation, how Swamiji will deal with this? Or when I am faced with this situation, what is the best way, for me to find a solution to this problem? Solution based lifestyle. Look at a solution rather than um, looking at the problems. And by applying this beautifully and bringing this understanding into my cognition, depth, I was able to very easily make many of my problems very redundant. Like people, like people, uh, you know, talking many things, or many things around you, or when some things are not okay, to how you expected it to be, or when certain um, I'll say altercations happen. So all of this I was able to really just get past all these problems very easily, just by making it redundant in my life. The decision to make this redundant, that gave me a breakthrough, for me. And any of these, any problem, if you feel that it is creating a hangover inside you, just make it redundant. Be ferocious with that problem. Make it just redundant. If it is not going to help you, why are you going to? If this problem is going to only give you powerlessness, victimized feeling, all of this, why do you want to hold on to it? Understand? So in this particular way, I was able to step over many of these problems very